you how to draw a firework. And this is how we do it. I got 3 crayons here. And I'll start with the pink. And I do little spikes. Like this. And it's my first time showing you how to do something today on a video. And you just keep doing it until you get a circle. And when you're done, it starts to look like this. And now, we're gonna pick green. And color around the pink. And when you're done, it looks like this. Now you're done the green. Now you start ending up to the turquoise. And you keep turning your page to get it really good. And when you're done, it will look beautiful. And I'm almost done, so that means soon you're gonna see it. And look at this. Doesn't this look beautiful? Mommy, now we're done. All right?
Do you have anything else you want to say? Maybe you should say goodbye to everybody.